Did you know that by 2024, AI projects are expected to grow by over 50%? Imagine how AI is transforming everyday tasks, from smart homes to personalized recommendations. Are you ready to be part of this revolution? Welcome to our video on 5 amazing AI projects for beginners in 2024. If you're looking to enter the tech field, starting with AI projects is essential. They not only teach you valuable skills, but also prepare you for the future of technology. One of the biggest challenges beginners face when starting with AI is understanding complex concepts and finding suitable projects. It can be overwhelming to know where to begin, but don't worry. We've got you covered with 5 beginner-friendly AI projects that will help you get started. Let's dive into these projects. Image classification. Learn how to train a model to identify and classify images. This project is perfect for understanding the basics of machine learning and computer vision. Chatbots. Create a simple chatbot using natural language processing. This project will help you grasp the fundamentals of NLP and how to build interactive applications. Recommendation systems. Build a basic system that suggests products or content based on user preferences. This project is great for learning about data analysis and user personalization. Sentiment analysis. Analyze text data to determine the sentiment behind it. This project is ideal for understanding text mining and sentiment classification. Voice assistants. Develop a basic voice assistant that can perform simple tasks based on voice commands. This project will introduce you to speech recognition and voice processing. The most exciting project on our list is voice assistants. This project stands out because it combines speech recognition, natural language processing, and machine learning. It offers unique learning opportunities and can be incredibly rewarding as you see your voice assistant come to life. In summary, the 5 projects we've covered, image classification, chatbots, recommendation systems, sentiment analysis, and voice assistants, are perfect for beginners. They provide a solid foundation and can significantly impact your learning journey in AI. Now we want to hear from you. Which project are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're ready to take your AI skills to the next level, be sure to check out our other videos on advanced AI topics and tutorials. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content.